Hello, viewers of AraaTech. Today we are presenting a new topic, artificial intelligence and personal security. Let's start. Navigating the complex terrain. Picture a world where cutting edge technology serves as a vigilant guardian, anticipating and warding off potential threats to ensure your safety. This is the realm of artificial intelligence in personal security, a dynamic arena filled with numerous possibilities, but also entwined with ethical complexities. Let's delve deeper into this intriguing landscape to better understand its nuances. Advanced technology as a guardian. Imagine an environment where sophisticated technological systems act as vigilant protectors, utilizing artificial intelligence to proactively identify and mitigate potential risks. These systems go beyond traditional security measures, employing intelligent algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data in real time essentially. It's like having an ever watchful digital companion dedicated to safeguarding your well being. Foreseeing potential threats. In this futuristic settings, artificial intelligence has the ability to foresee potential threats before they materialize. Through intricate analysis of various data sources, including surveillance cameras, sensors, and social media, artificial intelligence algorithms can detect patterns and anomalies that might indicate impending risks. Think of it as a digital fortune teller reading the signs in the data to anticipate and address potential security challenges. Ethical intricacies in personal security. However, the integration of artificial intelligence, personal security introduces a set of ethical intricacies that cannot be overlooked. While the potential benefits are vast, the responsible use of the technology demands careful consideration of ethical dilemmas. These dilemmas involve questions about privacy, fairness, and the potential misuse of powerful artificial intelligence tools. Navigating this landscape requires a delicate balance between harnessing the benefits of artificial intelligence and ensuring that ethical principles guide its development and deployment. Exploring the captivating landscape. This landscape, though captivating, is not without its controversies. The intersection of technology and personal security sparks debates on how much surveillance is acceptable, the implications of algorithmic decision making, and the potential consequences of relying too heavily on artificial intelligence systems. It's akin to traversing uncharted territory where each step forward requires thoughtful reflection on the ethical implications of the technologies we are creating. Occasionally continuous nature. The occasional continuous nature of this realm stem from differing perspectives on the trade-off between security and individual privacy. Striking the right balance is an ongoing challenge as the very tool designed to enhance personal security can inadvertently encroach on the rights and freedoms of individuals. It's a delicate dance between harnessing the potential of artificial intelligence for protection while respecting the values and autonomy of those it aims to safeguard. In summary, the realm of artificial intelligence in personal security is a multifaceted landscape where advanced technology holds the promise of enhanced safety but requires a careful and ethical approach. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it is crucial to consider the potential impact on privacy, fairness, and individual liberties, ensuring that the benefits of artificial intelligence are harnessed responsibly and in harmony with our values. Let's delve further into the innovative application of artificial intelligence in proactive crime prevention. Proactive crime prevention, unlocking the power of artificial intelligence vigilance. Imagine having an online detective at your service, tirelessly analyzing a vast array of data from cameras, sensors, and social media to unveil hidden patterns and anticipate potential criminal activities. This is the essence of AI driven proactive crime prevention, a revolutionary application that transforms the way we approach security. How it works: data scrutiny beyond human capacity. Artificial intelligence algorithms have an unparalleled capacity to sift through massive data sets, something beyond the capability of human analysts. They methodically scrutinize information from surveillance cameras, environmental sensors, and even social media platforms. Pattern recognition. Picture that artificial intelligence as a digital detective with an exceptional eye for patterns. It can identify trends, anomalies, and subtle cues that may elude human observers. By recognizing patterns in data, the artificial intelligence becomes adept at distinguishing normal behavior from potentially suspicious activities. Anticipating potential criminal activities. Much like a proactive investigator, the artificial intelligence not only spots ongoing criminal activities but goes a step further by foreseeing potential threats. It analyzes the detected patterns to predict when certain behaviors might escalate into more critical situations, allowing for intervention before a crime reaches a critical point. Real life analogy. Think of this artificial intelligence application as an advanced digital neighborhood watch, while traditional neighborhood watches that rely on community members keeping an eye out for suspicious behavior. Artificial intelligence takes this concept to a new level. It's akin to having an automated vigilant observer that can process and analyze information at a speed and scale beyond human capabilities. Example scenario: consider a city equipped with smart cameras and sensors linked to an AI driven crime prevention system. If the artificial intelligence detects an unusual pattern of behavior, such as littering in a specific area or a sudden increase in social media chatter about certain activities, it can alert law enforcement before any criminal activity occurs. This preemptive approach allows authorities to investigate and address potential issues, contributing to a safer environment for residents. In essence, artificial intelligence in proactive crime prevention acts as a digital ally, leveraging its analytical prowess to identify potential threats, much like an online detective working tirelessly to keep communities safe. Automated surveillance and intruder detection. Elevating security to new heights, envision a security system that goes beyond traditional surveillance, employing the prowess of artificial intelligence to create an automated watchful guardian for homes and businesses. This advanced application involves the deployment of AI infused security systems that not only keep a watchful eye but can also autonomously identify intruders and promptly alert authorities, akin to a digital sentinel dedicated to safeguarding your loved ones and valuables. How it works: smart sensors and cameras. The foundation of this technology lies in an array of smart sensors and cameras strategically positioned to cover the designated surveillance areas. These devices continuously capture and feed real time data to the AI system. AI powered image analysis. The artificial intelligence, acting as a vigilant digital sentinel, utilizes advanced image analysis algorithms. It can distinguish between normal activities and potential threats by identifying patterns, shapes, and anomalies within the captured visualize. Intruder recognition. When an unauthorized individual enters the monitored space, the artificial intelligence system rapidly recognizes the intrusion by comparing the live feed to predefined patterns of normal behavior. It can discern between a family member and a potential intruder based on behavioral cues, and visual characteristics. Automated alert system. Once an intrusion is detected, the artificial intelligence triggers an automated alert system. This can involve sending immediate notifications to property owners, security personnel, or directly alerting law enforcement, ensuring a swift response to the potential threat. Real life analogy. Imagine the artificial intelligence infused security system as an astute and tireless guardian stationed around the clock. It's like having a digital sentry that not only monitors your premises but is equipped with the intelligence to differentiate between everyday activities and those that pose a risk to security. Example scenario. In a residential setting, if an AI powered security system detects an intruder attempting to break into a home, it can instantly send alerts to the homeowner's smartphone or notify a central monitoring station. Simultaneously, the system can provide live video feeds to authorities, allowing them to assess the situation in real time and respond swiftly. In essence, automated surveillance and intruder detection with artificial intelligence create a proactive security layer, transforming traditional surveillance systems into dynamic and intelligent protectors. It brings peace of mind by leveraging technology to not only monitor but actively respond to potential security threats. Facial recognition and identity authentication, unleashing the power of artificial intelligence precision. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence serves as an unparalleled identifier, swiftly and accurately recognizing faces for a myriad of purposes, from secure access control to fraud prevention and even aiding in the identification of missing persons. This application harnesses the capability of artificial intelligence to function like an exceptional memory, instantaneously recognizing faces and validating identities in a manner that goes beyond traditional methods. How it works: data acquisition and analysis. The process begins with the acquisition of facial data through cameras or other imaging devices. Artificial intelligence algorithms then analyze this data, capturing intricate details such as the unique facial features, contours, and landmarks. Creation of facial templates. The analyzed data is transformed into facial templates, a digital representation of an individual's facial characteristics. These templates serve as the basis for comparison and identification. Swift and precise recognition. When a person's face is presented for recognition, the artificial intelligence system compares the captured image against the stored templates. It swiftly and precisely matches the facial features, enabling accurate identification within milliseconds. Applications in secure access and fraud prevention. Facial recognition is widely employed in secure access systems, replacing traditional methods like passwords or keycards. Additionally, it plays a pivotal role in fraud prevention by ensuring that the individual attempting access is indeed the rightful owner of the credential. Aiding in missing person identification. In cases of missing persons, facial recognition can be a valuable tool. By comparing facial features in images or videos to a database of known individuals, artificial intelligence can assist in identifying and locating missing persons. Real life analogy. Think of artificial intelligence powered facial recognition as a digital bouncer at a VIP event. It diligently checks the faces of individuals against the guest list, allowing swift entry for authorized guests while preventing unauthorized access. Example scenario. Consider a scenario where a person is attempting to access a high security facility. Instead of presenting a key card or entering a password, they simply stand in front of a facial recognition camera. The AI system, with its exceptional memory like capabilities, recognizes the individual's face, validates their identity, and grants or denies access accordingly. In essence, facial recognition and identity authentication with artificial intelligence redefine the way we establish and verify identity, offering a seamless, efficient, and secure means of access, control, and identification. It's a technology that mirrors the precision of human memory but operates at a speed and scale that surpasses human capabilities. Cybersecurity and threat detection. Fortifying digital defenses with artificial intelligence precision in a world where digital threats loom large. Artificial intelligence emerges as a formidable guardian, actively analyzing network traffic and user behavior to pinpoint suspicious activities and thwart cyber attacks. This application is akin to unveiling a digital shield, a sophisticated guardian deflecting hacking attempts and ensuring the safeguarding of online data with unprecedented precision. How it works. Continuous monitoring. Artificial intelligence algorithms continuously monitor network traffic, scrutinizing the vast amount of data flowing through digital systems. This encompasses everything from user interactions to the movement of data across networks. Anomaly detection. The artificial intelligence acts as a vigilant digital sentry, employing advanced algorithms to establish a baseline of normal network behavior. Deviations from this baseline, indicative of potentially malicious activity, are flagged as anomalies. Behavioral analysis. User behavior is a key focus. Artificial intelligence analyzes how individuals interact with digital systems, identifying patterns and anomalies in their actions. Sudden changes in behavior that may suggest a security threat trigger alerts for further investigation. Threat identification. By combining insights from continuous monitoring, anomaly detection, and behavioral analysis, artificial intelligence excels at identifying potential cybersecurity threats. It recognizes patterns associated with known attack methods and discovers novel threats that may have evaded traditional security measures. Automated response. The digital shield does not just identify threats, it actively responds. Artificial intelligence can initiate automated responses such as isolating compromised systems, blocking suspicious network traffic, or alerting cybersecurity teams for immediate intervention. Real life analogy. Think of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity as a highly skilled security team in a bustling city. They are not just watching for known criminals, they are also trained to detect subtle signs of suspicious behavior and respond swiftly to protect the city's digital infrastructure. Example scenario. Imagine a company's network under constant surveillance by artificial intelligence. If the system detects an unusual surge in data access from a particular user account or a sudden increase in outbound data to an unknown server, both potential signs of a cyber attack, it can trigger immediate alerts. The digital shield then takes proactive measures to block the suspicious activity, preventing potential data breaches. In essence, artificial intelligence in cybersecurity transforms the approach to digital defense, offering a proactive and dynamic defense mechanism against the ever evolving landscape of cyber threats. It's not just a shield, it's an intelligent and adaptive guardian ensuring the resilience and security of digital ecosystems. Personal safety apps and wearables, miniature guardians enhancing safety. In an era where personal safety takes center stage, imagine having AI powered applications and wearable devices acting as vigilant companions, actively monitoring your location, detecting emergencies, and promptly alerting authorities. This innovative application is akin to unveiling miniature guardians, residing on your wrist or smartphone, always ready to summon help at a moment's notice, and ensuring your safety during travel or perilous situations. How it works: location monitoring, personal safety apps, and wearables continuously track your location in real time using GPS technology. This feature provides a dynamic understanding of your movements and whereabouts. Emergency detection algorithms. Artificial intelligence algorithms embedded in these applications and wearables are designed to recognize patterns indicative of emergencies. These patterns may include abrupt changes in movement, prolonged periods of inactivity, or other indicators of distress. Automated alerts. When the artificial intelligence detects a potential emergency, it triggers automated alerts. These alerts can take various forms, such as notifying local authorities, sending distress messages to pre-designated contacts, or even activating an audible alarm to deter potential threats. Communication capabilities. Some wearable devices come equipped with communication features allowing users to directly contact emergency services or communicate with a monitoring center. This ensures a swift response in critical situations. Integration with smart devices. Personal safety apps and wearables often integrate with other smart devices, enhancing their functionality. For example, they may sync with smart home security systems, enabling automatic lockdown procedures in case of emergencies. Real life analogy. Think of personal safety apps and wearables as modern day personal bodyguards. They are not just passive devices but actively watch over you, analyze your surroundings, and spring into action when your safety is at stake. Example scenario: suppose you are walking alone at night and your wearable device senses an abrupt change in your movement pattern, indicating potential distress. The embedded artificial intelligence recognizes this anomaly and automatically sends an alert to local law enforcement, providing them with your real time location simultaneously. The device may notify your trusted contacts, ensuring that help is on the way. In essence, personal safety apps and wearables with artificial intelligence functionality revolutionize the concept of personal security. They act as intelligent, proactive guardians, leveraging advanced technology to create a layer of protection that adapts to your movements and ensures help is just a click away. Privacy dilemmas: navigating the tightrope between security and freedom in the evolving landscape of AI driven personal security. One of the primary challenges lies in navigating the delicate balance between ensuring security and respecting individual freedoms, particularly when it comes to the widespread surveillance and extensive collection of personal data. The challenge: widespread surveillance. As artificial intelligence systems become more adept at monitoring our surroundings and behaviors, the line between necessary surveillance for security purposes and unwarranted intrusion into personal lives become blurred. The omnipresence of surveillance cameras, sensors, and other data capturing devices raises concerns about the extent to which individuals are being observed and scrutinized. Data collection concerns. The wealth of data generated by artificial intelligence applications, such as facial recognition, location tracking, and behavior analysis, raises significant concerns about the scope and purpose of data collection. The challenge lies in determining what type of data are essential for enhancing security without compromising an individual's right to privacy. Ethical considerations: balancing security and individual freedom, striking a delicate equilibrium between ensuring public safety and preserving individual privacy is paramount. Ethical considerations involve establishing clear boundaries on the extent of surveillance, defining the purpose for data collection, and implementing robust safeguards against misuse. Informed consent. Ethical practice demands that individuals are informed and consent to the collection and use of their personal data. Transparency in how AI systems operate, what data is being collected, and for what purposes is crucial to maintaining trust between users and those deploying artificial intelligence for security. Real life analogy. Think of the privacy dilemma as a tightrope walk. On one side is the need for enhanced security through advanced technologies, and on the other side is the fundamental right to privacy. Striking the right balance requires careful steps and a nuanced understanding of the potential impact on individual freedoms. Example scenario. Consider a smart city equipped with pervasive surveillance to prevent crimes. While the intention is to enhance public safety, the continuous monitoring of citizens' activities can raise concerns about unwarranted intrusion. Ethical deployment of artificial intelligence in such scenarios would involve clear policies on data retention, strict access controls, and public awareness campaigns to ensure that individuals understand the measures in place. In essence, addressing privacy dilemmas involves not only deploying technical safeguards but also establishing robust ethical frameworks. It requires a thoughtful and transparent approach to ensure that AI driven personal security measures respect and uphold individual freedoms while effectively enhancing overall safety. Algorithmic bias, safeguarding against discrimination in artificial intelligence security. In the integration of artificial intelligence into security applications, a critical challenge arises in the form of algorithmic bias. This phenomenon occurs when artificial intelligence systems, instead of being neutral, unintentionally perpetuate societal biases, leading to discriminatory outcomes. Addressing this challenge requires a commitment to fairness and careful consideration in the selection and handling of data. The challenge: perpetuation of societal biases. AI algorithms are trained on historical data, and if this data reflects existing societal biases, the algorithms may inadvertently learn and perpetuate these biases. In the context of security applications, this could result in certain groups being unfairly targeted or subjected to heightened scrutiny. Discriminatory outcomes. Algorithmic bias can manifest in discriminatory outcomes, affecting individuals based on factors such as race, gender, or socioeconomic status. In security contexts, biased algorithms may contribute to unjust targeting or profiling, eroding trust in the fairness of the systems. Imperative for fairness, upholding ethical standards. Recognizing and addressing algorithmic bias is a fundamental ethical responsibility. Security applications must not disproportionately impact certain demographic or perpetuate historical prejudices. Meticulous data selection. Ensuring fairness begins with the careful selection of training data. Data used to train artificial intelligence models should be diverse, representative, and free from biases. Additionally, ongoing monitoring of algorithms for potential biases is crucial to rectify an unintended consequences. Real life analogy. Think of algorithmic bias as a distorted mirror reflecting societal prejudices. If the data used to train artificial intelligence models mirrors existing biases, the artificial intelligence system can inadvertently perpetuate and amplify these biases, resulting in skewed outcomes. Example scenario. Consider an AI powered security system designed to identify potential threats in public spaces. If the training data predominantly includes image of certain demographic groups labeled as suspicious based on historical biases, The algorithm may exhibit bias, leading to unwarranted scrutiny and potential profiling of those groups. In essence, the imperative for fairness in artificial intelligence security applications necessitates a meticulous and conscientious approach to data selection and model training. It requires ongoing scrutiny to identify and rectify biases, ensuring that these technologies contribute to security without exacerbating societal inequalities. By upholding ethical standards and actively addressing algorithmic bias, we can build artificial intelligence systems that enhance security while treating individuals with dignity and fairness. Misuse and weaponization, safeguarding against unintended threats in artificial intelligence deployment in the realm of artificial intelligence applications, particularly in security contexts, a significant challenge emerges in the potential misuse and weaponization of these technologies. Unscrupulous entities could exploit artificial intelligence for targeted attacks or extensive surveillance, posing a serious threat to personal liberty and safety. To mitigate this risk, robust regulations and safeguards are deemed indispensable. The challenge: potential for exploitation. The versatile capabilities of artificial intelligence, if harnessed by malicious actors, could be exploited for nefarious purposes. This may include orchestrating targeted cyber attacks, conducting invasive surveillance, or manipulating AI systems to compromise security. Threat to personal liberty. The misuse of artificial intelligence in security applications poses a direct threat to personal liberties. Unauthorized access to sensitive information, unwarranted surveillance, or the deployment of AI powered tools for oppressive purposes can erode individual freedoms. Indispensable need for regulations. Defining ethical boundaries. Robust regulations play a crucial role in defining ethical boundaries for the deployment of artificial intelligence in security. Clear guidelines help prevent the misuse of these technologies and establish the parameters within which artificial intelligence systems should operate, preventing unauthorized use. Regulations should outline strict measures to prevent unauthorized entities from leveraging artificial intelligence from malicious activities. This involves implementing access controls, authentication mechanisms, and stringent penalties for those found in violation of ethical standards. Real life analogy. Consider artificial intelligence as a powerful tool akin to electricity. While it can illuminate our lives, improper use or malicious intent can lead to electrical fires. In a similar vein, artificial intelligence needs safeguards to prevent unintended harm when placed in the wrong hands. Example scenario. Imagine a scenario where sophisticated AI powered surveillance systems intended for public safety are misused by authoritarian regimes to monitor and suppress dissenting voices. Robust regulations would be essential to prevent such misuse, ensuring that artificial intelligence technologies are employed ethically and in alignment with democratic values. In essence, addressing the challenge of misuse and weaponization requires a proactive and vigilant approach through the establishment of comprehensive regulations. These regulations should not only outline ethical principles but also enforce strict measures to prevent unauthorized access and potential harm. By incorporating safeguards, we can harness the benefits of artificial intelligence in security while minimizing the risks associated with its misuse. Transparency and accountability, building trust in artificial intelligence systems. In the dynamic landscape of artificial intelligence applications, transparency and accountability are paramount. A lack of transparency in artificial intelligence algorithms can erode trust and make it challenging to hold systems accountable for errors or biases. To counteract this concern, incorporating explainable artificial intelligence and open source approaches becomes crucial. The challenge: opaque algorithms. Some artificial intelligence algorithms operate as black boxes, meaning their decision making processes are not easily understandable by humans. The lack of transparency can lead to uncertainty about how decisions are reached, raising concerns about fairness and accountability. Trust erosion. Without transparency, users may be hesitant to fully trust artificial intelligence systems, especially in critical applications like security. Understanding how these systems arrive at decisions is essential for building confidence in their reliability and fairness. Addressing the concern: explainable artificial intelligence. Incorporating explainability into artificial intelligence systems involves designing algorithms that provide clear, interpretable explanations for their decisions. This allows users to understand the factors considered by the artificial intelligence in reaching a conclusion, promoting transparency and building trust. Open source approaches. Making artificial intelligence algorithms open source, accessible, and understandable by the public can contribute to transparency. Open source initiatives allow researchers, developers, and the general public to scrutinize the code, identify potential biases, and hold developers accountable for ethical standards. Real life analogy. Think of artificial intelligence transparency as a car's dashboard. Drivers need clear indicators of speed, fuel levels, and other vital information to trust the vehicle. Similarly, users need visibility into how artificial intelligence systems operate to trust their decisions. Example scenario: consider an artificial intelligence system employed for predictive policing. If the algorithm's decision making process is opaque, community members may question why certain areas are designated as high risk. Implementing explainable artificial intelligence would allow law enforcement to clarify the factors considered by the system, fostering transparency and community understanding. In essence, transparency and accountability are the pillars of responsible artificial intelligence deployment. By adopting practices such as explainable artificial intelligence and open source approaches, we can demystify the decision making processes of artificial intelligence systems, build trust, and empower individuals to hold these technologies accountable for ethical standards. Human oversight and control. Balancing artificial intelligence assistance with human judgment. In the rapidly advancing landscape of AI-driven security, a fundamental principle emerges that artificial intelligence should serve as a supportive tool, enhancing human capabilities rather than a replacement for human judgment and ethical decision making. The integration of artificial intelligence should prioritize human oversight, ensuring a harmonious partnership between technology and human expertise. The principle: complementing human abilities. Artificial intelligence systems should be designed to complement and augment human capabilities, offering support in areas where automation can enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Ethical decision making. While artificial intelligence can process vast amount of data and identify patterns, ethical decision making often requires human insights. Human oversight ensures that decisions align with moral, legal, and societal norms, preventing the potential for biases or unintended consequences. Ensuring ethical deployment, defining boundaries. Clear delineation of the roles and responsibilities of artificial intelligence versus human decision makers is essential. Determining where artificial intelligence can provide valuable assistance and when human intervention is necessary helps establish ethical boundaries. Continuous monitoring. Human oversight involves continuous monitoring of artificial intelligence systems to identify any anomalies, biases, or errors. This vigilance ensures that artificial intelligence remains aligned with ethical principles and operates within defined parameters. Real life analogy. Think of artificial intelligence as a skilled assistant in a complex task, such as navigating a ship through rough waters. While the artificial intelligence may handle routine navigation based on data and algorithms, the human captain provides nuanced decision making, adapting to unforeseen challenges and ethical considerations. Example scenario. In a cybersecurity context, artificial intelligence may be employed to analyze network traffic and detect potential threats. However, human oversight is crucial to interpret the context of the alerts, assess the severity of a potential threat, and make decisions that consider ethical implications before taking action. In essence, the principle of human oversight and control underscores the collaborative relationship between artificial intelligence and human decision makers. By prioritizing human judgment and ethical considerations, we can harness the benefits of artificial intelligence in security while ensuring that the technology aligns with our values and societal norms. The future of artificial intelligence in personal security, unleashing advanced threat detection. As we peer into the future, the evolution of artificial intelligence in personal security promises a transformative shift, particularly in the realm of threat detection. Artificial intelligence is poised to transcend basic pattern recognition, embarking on a journey towards a more sophisticated understanding of criminal networks and an enhanced ability to predict threats with unprecedented accuracy. What to anticipate beyond basic pattern recognition? Future artificial intelligence systems will transcend the limitations of basic pattern recognition. They will evolve to discern complex and evolving patterns within vast data sets, enabling a more nuanced understanding of potential threats, comprehensive understanding of criminal networks. AI's progression involves developing a comprehensive understanding of criminal networks. Advanced algorithms will analyze interconnected data points, uncovering hidden relationships and identifying the intricate structures that define criminal activities. Predicting threats with heightened accuracy. The hallmark of future artificial intelligence in personal security lies in its predictive prowess. Artificial intelligence systems will not merely identify ongoing criminal activities but will proactively predict and anticipate potential threats, allowing for preemptive measures to safeguard individuals and communities. Real life analogy. Think of the future of artificial intelligence in personal security as an upgraded detective in a crime thriller. Instead of merely solving crimes as they happen, this artificial intelligence detective can anticipate criminal plots, unraveling the intricacies of criminal networks, and predicting their next moves with cinematic precision. Envisioning a scenario. Imagine an artificial intelligence powered security system for a smart city. Rather than simply reacting to incidents, this advanced artificial intelligence can analyze diverse datasets, social media, public records, sensor data to identify subtle indicators of criminal activities. It might predict the emergence of organized crime hotspots or foresee potential security threats during large public events, allowing for proactive measures. In essence, the future of artificial intelligence in personal security holds the promise of a paradigm shift where artificial intelligence becomes not just a reactive tool but a proactive and anticipatory force against emerging threats. As technology advances, the synergy between artificial intelligence and human intuition will become increasingly seamless, ushering in an era where security is not just about responding to incidents but about foreseeing, and preventing them. Proactive security measures, artificial intelligence taking preventive action. In the future landscape of personal security, artificial intelligence is poised to transit its role as a mere identifier of threats. It will evolve into a proactive force, not only detecting potential dangers but also intervening swiftly to prevent them from unfolding. This proactive stance may involve deploying advanced technologies such as drones or alerting authorities in real time, ushering in a new era of preemptive security. Anticipated developments, swift intervention with drones, artificial intelligence driven security systems will be equipped to swiftly respond to identified threats by deploying drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles guided by AI algorithms can provide real time surveillance, gather additional data, and even deter criminal activities before they escalate. Real time alerts to authorities. The future of artificial intelligence in personal security envisions systems that go beyond automated alerts and take immediate action. When artificial intelligence identifies a potential threat, it will not only notify authorities but also provide detailed information, enabling faster and more effective responses to unfolding situations. Enhanced collaboration with emergency services. Artificial intelligence systems will seamlessly integrate with emergency services, creating a collaborative ecosystem by sharing crucial information in real time. Artificial intelligence will empower first responders with valuable insights, enabling them to arrive at the scene with the right resources and strategies. Real life analogy. Think of proactive security measures powered by artificial intelligence as an advanced guardian angel. Instead of waiting for danger to materialize, this artificial intelligence driven protector anticipates potential risks and intervenes swiftly, ensuring the safety of individuals and communities. Envisioning a scenario. Consider a smart city equipped with artificial intelligence powered security. As artificial intelligence detects unusual patterns suggesting a potential security threat, it does not just sound an alarm, it deploys drones to the location, providing live video feeds to authorities and offering a bird's eye view of the situation. This proactive intervention allows law enforcement to assess and address the situation swiftly. In essence, the future of artificial intelligence in personal security paints a picture of a dynamic and responsive ecosystem. Artificial intelligence becomes a proactive partner, leveraging advanced technologies to intervene before threats escalate. This shift from reactive to proactive security not only enhances the effectiveness of security measures but also contributes to creating safer and more resilient communities. Personalized security solutions, customizing protection with artificial intelligence precision. Looking ahead, the future of AI driven security is not just about generic measures, it's about tailoring protection to the unique needs and preferences of individuals. Artificial intelligence will evolve to understand and adapt to specific contexts, considering factors such as location, habits, and risk profiles to provide a highly personalized and effective security experience. Anticipated innovations, context aware security. Artificial intelligence systems of the future will be context aware, understanding the intricacies of individual lifestyles. They will adapt security protocols based on factors such as the time of day, specific locations visited, and even the user's past behavior patterns. Behavioral analysis for risk assessment. Advanced artificial intelligence algorithms will conduct in depth behavioral analysis to assess an individual's risk profile by understanding typical behaviors and deviations. The system can identify anomalies that may indicate potential security threats. Location based protections. Artificial intelligence will leverage geospatial data to customize security measures based on an individual's location. For example, the security measures activated at home may differ from those deployed during travel, ensuring a seamless and tailored security experience. Real life analogy. Think of personalized security solutions powered by artificial intelligence as a highly skilled personal bodyguard. This bodyguard not only understands your daily routines but adapts its protection strategies based on your unique activities and surroundings. Envisioning a scenario. Imagine an AI driven security system for a smart home. As you arrive home, the system recognizes your presence through connected devices and adjusts security settings accordingly. If it detects an unusual entry pattern or unexpected behavior, it not only raises an alert but also adapts its response based on your typical habits, ensuring a personalized and effective security response. In essence, the future of artificial intelligence in personal security involves a shift from one size fits all approaches to solutions that are finely tuned to individual nuances. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to understand and adapt to personal contexts, security becomes not just a protective shield but a tailored and seamless experience that aligns with the unique needs and preferences of each individual. Human AI collaboration, synergizing expertise for ethical security. In the future landscape of personal security, a harmonious collaboration between human professionals and artificial intelligence systems is envisioned. Security professionals will seamlessly work alongside artificial intelligence, leveraging their expertise to interpret complex data, make informed decisions, and ensure that ethical considerations are diligently met. This collaborative synergy aims to create a comprehensive approach that combines the strengths of both human intuition and artificial intelligence precision. Key elements of collaboration: data interpretation and analysis. Human professionals bring a nuanced understanding of context and societal nuances. In collaboration with artificial intelligence, they can interpret complex data, extracting valuable insights that might elude purely algorithmic analysis. Informed decision making. While artificial intelligence excels at processing vast amounts of information, human professionals contribute their judgment, experience, and ethical considerations to the decision making process. This collaborative decision making ensures a well rounded approach that accounts for diverse perspectives. Ethical oversight. Human AI collaboration emphasizes the importance of ethical considerations. Security professionals play a crucial role in guiding artificial intelligence systems to adhere to ethical standards, preventing biases, and ensuring that the deployment of technology aligns with legal and moral norms. Real life analogy. Think of human AI collaboration in security as a well coordinated orchestra. Each member, whether human or artificial intelligence, contributes their unique strengths and expertise to create a harmonious and effective symphony of security measures. Envisioning a scenario. Consider a scenario where an AI powered cybersecurity system detects anomalous network activity. Security professionals collaborate with the artificial intelligence, bringing their understanding of organizational context and potential implications. The artificial intelligence processes the data rapidly, while humans provide the critical context needed to make decisions that align with the company's specific security policies and ethical guidelines. In essence, the future of personal security lies in the seamless collaboration between human professionals and artificial intelligence systems by combining human intuition, contextual understanding, and ethical oversight with the computational power and precision of artificial intelligence. This collaborative approach aims to create a robust and adaptive security framework that is both effective and ethically sound. Artificial intelligence in personal security, a powerful tool guided by ethical principles. The deployment of artificial intelligence in personal security represents a potent tool holding the potential to safeguard lives and property with unprecedented efficiency. However, its evolution and implementation must be guided by unwavering adherence to ethical principles, ensuring transparency, fairness, and the utmost respect for individual rights. Key tenets of ethical implementations: transparency. The working of artificial intelligence systems must be transparent and understandable. Users and the broader community should have clear insights into how these technologies operate, what data they utilize, and the decision making processes they employ. Fairness. Ethical deployment demands fairness in the treatment of individual. Artificial intelligence algorithms should not perpetuate or amplify societal biases, and mechanisms should be in place to rectify any unintended disparities that may arise during implementation. Respect for individual rights. Protection of individual rights, including privacy and freedom from unwarranted surveillance, should be paramount. The use of artificial intelligence should enhance security without compromising the fundamental rights and freedoms of individuals. Guiding principles. Judicious utilization. Employ artificial intelligence in personal security judiciously, recognizing its capabilities and limitations. Avoid over reliance on technology and ensure a balance with human judgment and ethical decision making. Continuous ethical oversight. As artificial intelligence evolves, maintain a continuous focus on ethical oversight. Regular evolutions, audits, and adjustments should be made to ensure that the deployment of artificial intelligence aligns with evolving ethical standards. Real life analogy. Think of artificial intelligence in personal security as a powerful ally, akin to a well trained guard dog. While its capabilities are impressive, ethical guidelines ensure that it operates within boundaries, protecting and serving without compromising the well being of those it safeguards. A call for ethical stewardship. In the journey of integrating artificial intelligence into personal security, it is a collective responsibility to be ethical stewards of this technology. By upholding principles of transparency, fairness, and respect for individual rights, we can harness the benefits of artificial intelligence in fortifying security while preserving the freedoms and dignity of individuals. It's not just about the potential of the tool, but the responsible and principled manner in which we wield it for the greater good.